皆さん、こんばんは、Sensei desu. Today's lesson is all going to be about the ni particle. In particular, the two usages that we've been using up to this point, one new, one slightly older. I'm going to run you through it with my examples here. It's going to take no time whatsoever. Here we go. Minasan, as we've discussed in class, you know that ni in general marks a specific time. For example, we've been using it up to this point to mark our class schedules, what period we have first period, second period, third period, what classes we have for those periods. So for example, what we've been doing it is, 4時間目に日本語があります. I have Japanese fourth period. That's a pretty standard construction. But we can also use it to mark days of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So right here I have 金曜日にダンスがあります, which is a true statement. We're going to have a dance this Friday. And I want to be even more specific, so I'm going to use a non-specific time together with my specific time to get 今週の金曜日にダンスがあります. The Friday of this week, we have a dance. And which leads us to the basic construction for ni with time. Days of the week or period in school marked by ni, and then you talk about an event or a class marked with ga and arimasu, the verb to have. Now our newest usage is ni marking a specific time when you do an action, when something happens. So up here I've got 昨日, non-specific time, so I don't use a particle ni to mark it. I just put a comma, and then I go 10時に at 10 o'clock, 寝ました. I went to sleep. The whole thing, 昨日10時に寝ました. I went to bed yesterday at 10 o'clock. Now, this leads us to the basic pattern of time, particle ni, action, right? What time you do something. And you could use a different verb, not nemasu, but tabemasu or nomimasu, and you could still mark the time with ni. Ladies and gentlemen, the particle ni. Ganbatte.